Have you ever stepped in gum? It's one of those little annoyances that can really put a damper on your day. It's so sticky and gross. The moment you realize it, you feel a mix of frustration and disgust. It sticks to your shoes and is hard to get off. Ugh, it's just awful. We've all been there. You try scraping it off on the curb, but it just smears and spreads. You're walking along, not paying attention, and then, bam! You feel that unmistakable stickiness underfoot. You've stepped in someone's discarded chewing gum. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a downright nuisance. It's enough to ruin your day. You might even find yourself hopping on one foot, trying to avoid spreading the mess further. But don't worry, I have a secret weapon to share with you. It's something you might already have at home. It's easy to use and really works. Just a few sprays and a little bit of patience and you'll be gum-free in no time. Are you ready to find out what it is? It's WD-40. This versatile product isn't just for squeaky hinges or rusty bolts. It can also help you tackle that stubborn gum. Simply spray it on the affected area, let it sit for a moment, and then gently scrape the gum away. You'll be amazed at how effective it is. So next time you find yourself in a sticky situation, remember, WD-40 is your go-to solution. WD-40 is a multi-purpose product that can help with lots of things. It's not just for fixing squeaky hinges or loosening rusty bolts. You might know it helps loosen rusty bolts. But guess what? It can also remove gum from your shoes. Imagine stepping on a sticky piece of gum and feeling frustrated. WD-40 has a special ingredient that makes the gum less sticky. This ingredient breaks down the gum's adhesive properties. This makes it super easy to get the gum off your shoe. No more scraping or using harsh chemicals. You'll be amazed at how well it works. It's like magic in a can. Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, grab your can of WD-40 and spray a generous amount on the gum. It's super simple, I promise. Wait a few minutes for the WD-40 to work its magic. Then use a cloth or paper towel to wipe the gum away. Not only does it work on shoes, but you can also use it on other surfaces like carpets or even your car's floor mats. WD-40 is truly versatile. From removing crayon marks on walls to cleaning stainless steel appliances, it's a household hero. So next time you find yourself in a sticky situation, remember WD-40 to the rescue. It's more than just a lubricant, it's a problem solver. You'll be glad to have it in your toolkit. Happy cleaning. First, find a grown-up to help you. It's always a good idea to have an adult around when you're using products like WD-40. They can help you handle it safely and make sure everything goes smoothly. WD-40 can be messy and you want to make sure you use it safely. It's important to read the instructions on the can and follow them carefully. Now, let's get started with the process of removing gum from your shoes. First, go outside or find a place where it's okay to get messy. This could be your backyard, a garage, or any other area where you won't get in trouble for making a bit of a mess. It's always better to work in a well-ventilated area when using products like WD-40. Second, spray the gum with WD-40. Hold the can a few inches away from the gum and give it a good spray. You want to make sure the gum is thoroughly covered with the WD-40. Make sure to cover all of it. The WD-40 needs to soak into the gum to break it down and make it easier to remove. Don't be afraid to use a generous amount. Third, wait a minute or two for the WD-40 to work its magic. This is the part where you need to be patient. The WD-40 will start to break down the gum, making it less sticky and easier to wipe away. Fourth, use a paper towel or an old rag to wipe away the gum. Gently rub the area where the gum was stuck. You should see the gum coming off easily. If there's still some residue left, you can spray a bit more WD-40 and repeat the process. That's it. See, I told you it was easy. Now your shoes are gum-free and ready to wear again. Remember, always clean up your work area and wash your hands after using WD-40. Great job! Section 4. You did it! Your shoe should be gum-free now. Wasn't that so much easier than trying to scrape it off? WD-40 is like a magic gum remover. Next time you step in gum, don't panic. Just remember this handy trick and you'll be back to walking around with clean shoes in no time. Now you know my secret weapon for dealing with sticky gum situations. Section 5. Spread the word. Do you know anyone else who might find this tip helpful? Be sure to tell your friends and family about this amazing WD-40 trick. Sharing is caring, and I bet they'll be super grateful for this handy tip. Nobody likes stepping in gum, right? Let's help everyone keep their shoes clean and gum-free. Section 6. Stay connected. Did you find this tip helpful? Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below, letting me know if you've ever stepped in gum. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun and helpful tips. Thanks for watching.